Imagine waking up and every dollar, euro, and yen gone. No banks, no paper money, just one currency, Bitcoin, ruling the entire planet. Every purchase, every paycheck, every secret donation is recorded forever on a public ledger. Would it be financial freedom or digital slavery?
It starts as an experiment. Governments, tired of inflation and corruption, agree to replace national currencies with a single, borderless crypto. Overnight, every wallet on Earth syncs to one blockchain. Cash disappears. ATMs power down. People panic, then adapt. Your phone becomes your new bank. There are no longer any exchange rates or conversion fees. For the first time in history, the world runs on one number: the price of Bitcoin.
At first, life feels easier. International trade floors. A freelancer in Kenya gets paid instantly by a client in France. Tourists travel with nothing but a passport. No more printing money, no more inflation. The economy seems perfectly balanced. But soon, small cracks appear. Lose your phone? You lose your fortune. Forget your private key. Say goodbye to your life savings. And every transaction you've ever made. It's still there forever for anyone to see.
Banks collapse almost overnight. Why trust middlemen when your money transfers instantly across continents? Mortgage officers, tellers, and credit card companies are obsolete. But with them goes the safety net. No more refunds, no fraud protection. If a hacker drains your wallet, there's no hotline to call, only a silent blockchain that doesn't care. Money is now pure code, and code has no mercy.
World leaders realize they've lost control. They can't print money to fund wars or disasters. They can't track under-the-table deals because every citizen's income is public. Some embrace it, calling it true transparency. Others panic. They attempt to fork the blockchain, create private versions, and even ban digital wallets, but it's too late. Once a decentralized network goes global, you can't shut it down. Power no longer belongs to governments. It belongs to code.
But not everyone wins. Early adopters, the ones who mined Bitcoin back in the 2010s, became trillionaires overnight. They don't own countries, they own economies. Their digital wallets control housing, healthcare, and even food distribution. A new aristocracy rises, not of kings and queens, but of coders. And in this new world, wealth isn't measured by gold. It's measured in bytes.
With one currency comes one massive problem: energy. Bitcoin mining already consumes more electricity than some nations. Now imagine every human transaction, every business deal, and every vending machine purchase adding to that load. Entire cities flicker as power grids strain. Governments build floating solar farms and deep-sea reactors just to keep the blockchain alive. Humanity has traded physical coins for digital chaos.
Of course, where there's control, there's rebellion. People create underground tokens, hidden ledgers, and secret markets that run off-chain. Black market programmers design dark wallets invisible to the main system. AI tax drones hunt for them like digital bounty hunters. A new cyber cold war begins, not over land or oil, but over encryption keys. The most valuable resource on Earth is anonymity.
Maybe a world with one currency could end poverty, or maybe it would end freedom. If every transaction, every paycheck, and every donation is forever written into public history, how private is your life? Money has always given humans power, but when money itself becomes a machine, who really controls whom? So if tomorrow Bitcoin became the only currency on Earth, would you celebrate the future of freedom or fear the end of control?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We recommend you watch this video next.